In today's video, let's quickly take a look at the way that you fix the Spotify login code not received. If you're trying to log into your Spotify account, there are basically two ways that you can do it: through your email address or your phone number. If you've not used your Facebook or Google account, so you can try receiving the code on one of these platforms. So for example, if you've been trying your phone number, you can try switching it up and use the email address. Now, if you have been using your email address, sometimes what happens is you'll receive this email or you'll receive this code within the junk files or the junk folders. So you can also try to look for these code that may have been received on the junk folder as well, or the spam folder inside of your email account. Now, if these are not the cases with you, what you can do is simply try out in a few minutes. Sometimes there are server side issues, so if you wait out a few minutes, you should be able to receive the code again. But however, if you're still not being able to receive the code, then in this situation is look for new updates available. So open up the Play Store or the App Store, search for Spotify, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update the application. So updating apps helps to fix any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue. Now, apart from this, what you can also try out is try to clear the app cache of Spotify. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon once you're inside, tap on storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete these few steps, you should be able to fix the Spotify login code not received. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.